kind of dark, so you can't see the front of the house, but that's the front. And we're going in to, oh, it's cold out here because I do not have my jacket on. We're going into the house and go up the stairs to the living room. And you go down the stairs to the basement. And there's Heidi. Say hi, Heidi.
They should be in the trunk of the car.
Hi, Heidi. Show me on my slippers.
There's the living room.
Don't mind me, Mommy.
And here's the kitchen.
Josh! No! Go sit in the corner.
And then there's Michael. We go down the hallway. And this is Joshua's room. Hi.
Hi,
Caleb.
Hi.
There's Joshua's room. Go through here. There's a bathroom. And this is my room. And then we go down the hall.
We go to the basement.
Keep the walls
And
clean. You're not
down the stairs.
Into the basement. Into our basement. You know, it's going to be outside like this. Can I go up top of the bed?
And this.
I want to go up top.
Okay, where's the light?
Mommy. I don't know.
Aha. This is the family room / office / everything else room.
What's the basement?
And there's the laundry room, which is kind of yucky. And here's the second bathroom. And this is Heidi and Caleb's room. And there you have seen my house.